going on, Credit Snipers? It's your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the Credit Assassins channel. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. I'm very humble that you took the time and listening to me and actually watching this video. I'm so excited to actually keep bringing to you so much content, and I know you guys have so much questions and you guys wanted me to break down what credit is. So today we're gonna be talking about credit age. Now, credit age composes 15% of your whole total credit score. So even though that is not much, still 15%, it can affect you in the ability to get some new lending. Guys, but before I continue, please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure that you click on that bell icon. Make sure you click on all, so like that you'll be notified every time that I post a new content. But at the same time, guys, do not forget, give me the thumbs up. That is going to help me tremendously in bringing this content, this value to many more. Now, if you find this video to be very helpful to you, please give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know how this helped you. Let me know anything else that you know about credit age or any other hack. Now, at the end of this, I'm going to give you a little hack or a big hack that's going to help you to increase your credit age without affecting anything else in your credit score, because that's what we're here to find out, the little hacks that can help us increase our credit score in order to get better lending and continue with life, in order to be able for you to buy your home, the new house that you want, the new car, the new boat, the new bike. But at the same time, if you're trying to create business credit, you also need to have your personal credit on check. You need to start building your personal credit. The better your personal credit is, the better that you're gonna be able to actually create business credits faster. Why? Because at the beginning, no matter what, you're still going to be what's called a PG, or personal guarantor, that word. So personal guarantor for your business credit. But little by little, I'm also going to start teaching you about how to create business credit. Why? This is going to help you, and this is gonna start creating that by itself. So you're gonna be able to start getting lending just in the EIN of your business, and eventually we want to get to a corporate type of credit, right? Which means that your personal credit will no longer be a factor of you getting the lending that you need for your business. So, but that's ahead of. That's way ahead. That's when you definitely scale. But let's take one step at a time and start working on your personal credit. And let's talk about 15% of the personal credit score, which is the credit age. So the credit age, guys. So the way credit age works is the amount of age, or the age of all your credit cards divided by the credit cards. So let's just say, for example, you have 5 credit cards, and one of them is 6 years old, the other one 4 years old, you have another one that is 3 years old, and then you have the last two, which is 1 year. You decide to actually get 2 in the same year. So one thing that I want to, let's just say you have that scenario in which you have 2 credit cards in the same years. Now, my advice to you is do not have more than 6 inquiries on your credit report on a year calendar. Now, inquiries is another factor of your credit report. If you have more than 6 inquiries in a matter of, so 6 by 6 inquiries on 6 months, it will place a flag on your credit report file, which will tell a lot of the creditors that you're strapped with money, or you don't have money. You might be looking for credit in order to support yourself. So don't end up there. Now, if you are interested in finding out how we remove this, we have a trick in our course. So we are the Credit Assassins. The best credit blueprint is the course that teaches you all the hacks that I'm talking to you about, in which you are able to remove credit inquiries in 72 hours. Guys, this is amazing. This is how I have 43 credit cards today with no increase on my credit. So guys, let's continue with credit age. So let's just say, so remember, we have 5 credit cards, 6, 4, 3, 1, 1, meaning the age. So that's 15 years. So if you divide 15 divided by 5, that gives you 3. So out of those 5 credit cards, and even though that you have one with 6 years, your total age of credit is only 3 years. Now, if you decide to go out and get another credit card today, which is fresh, it's like a newborn. You have a new baby that, even though that it brings more credit to your credit utilization. So if you don't know credit utilization, I'm going to put a link once we finish this video in which will explain to you what credit utilization is. But it will bring more to your credit utilization, but it will diminish the age of your credit. So what what I'm trying to get to is right here. It's like the more credit cards you have, the great is for you to have more credit available, but at the same time affects your ability to get credit because your age. So this happens to me recently. I've been getting a lot of credits, and even though I have 43 credit cards, the age of my credit right now is 12.3. So because in the same calendar year, I got more than almost 18 credit cards. I mean, it kind of put a flag on my credit report, in which I have to definitely explain. I have to now state and be able to show what I'm doing business-wise and the income that was bringing and my investments with real estate. But imagine that you don't have that. Now that actually gets your creditor nervous, because I'm saying, look, now your age, you actually have a baby age when it comes to the age of your credit report, and the ability for you to get credit because of the internal criteria of lending is, like I said, erase those flags. So I'm going to give you a hack right here on how you can increase organically your age. So let's just say that now you are in the same situation. You got those 5 cards, you got that extra card, now you have 6 cards, and let's just say you have $50,000 in credit, but your age is now less than 3 years old. What you can do is go out and become an authorized user on someone. Let's just say mom, dad, brother, and sister. Let's just say your age right now is 28 years old. And you go to your mom, and your mom had this credit card for the past 25 years. So she had it for the past 25 years. So now, remember, we have 5 cards, and we got that extra one, which brought our age to 2.5 years. So let's just say now we go to mom. Hey mom, can you please add me to this credit card as an authorized user? I promise that I'm not going to use your card. I just want to make sure I piggyback of your great payment history, the age, and the credit utilization that you have. Mom says, not a problem, son or daughter. I'm going to help you out. She adds you to it. So what now does, that goes into your credit report. Now, remember, we're at 3 years because you have 5 credit cards at the beginning with 15 years divided by 5. That was 3 years. You went out and got an extra card. Now that was 6 years. I mean, six credit cards that you had. Now you divide the same 15 by 6. That gives you 2.5. Now we went back to mom. Mom, hey, can I add this? That 25 years is gonna go into your credit report, and now it's gonna be 27.5. But what we're going to do now is 27.5. We are going to divide it by 7 credit cards, which is going to bring your credit age by 3.9, which is going to help you. It's definitely going to help you. But you see how organically you can now go ahead and start increasing your age without hurting your utilization or hurting your ability to gain new cards, right? And the ability or the option of getting new inquiries. So you can do this. Tradelines are one of those hacks that can organically increase your credit or your age, and definitely help you to increase the age of your credit report. Now, one of the main things is, like, guys, I need you to understand that credit doesn't happen overnight. So this is something that is going to take time, especially the age of your credit. Even though that we could organically inflate the age of our credit by doing utilization or becoming an authorized user on somebody else's credit card or adding trade lines to your credit report, it is going to take time for you to actually gain that age by yourself. All right, guys, I appreciate that you guys were here today. Thank you for actually taking the time and listening to how age works and one of the hacks in order to increase your age organically without having to do anything else. But guys, what I like to do is, look, put a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this short video. I want to know if you guys have any other ways or found any other ways on how to increase your age. I'm dying to find out. I love the community. I know there's a lot of times you guys bring something new to the table, and I love to see the point of view of many of you. So I appreciate the time. Remember, this was your first time. Make sure that you actually go ahead and subscribe, click on that bell icon and click on all so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. Give me the thumbs up because that's gonna actually put me in front of a lot more people and it's gonna help me out with algorithm. Until the next video, guys, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I am the Credit Assassin, and I'll see you in the next video.